Good afternoon, everyone. So good to be here, and thank you so much, Amul, for giving me this opportunity to showcase a very simple recipe. The theme was something which we can make at home, and as I was thinking, what can I make? And I thought that let's make a very simple dessert, something which is very simple. Anyone can make it, and I really encourage the men in the house to try this. Impress your wives, impress your kids, maybe impress your girlfriends, because you don't need to have any cooking skills, you don't need to have any technical skills. What you need to have is just simple basic ingredients. So what I'm going to make today, I'm going to make a dessert called mango float. It's from Philippines, but very simple. So we'll start with the ingredients. So we have some Amul fresh cream here, and just to tell you, I have a bowl with lot of ice and salt. Since the temperature is very high and we need the cream to get whipped nicely, I am using this ice and salt. Apart from that, we have Amul condensed milk, we have some diced mangoes, we have some fresh mint leaves, we have some biscuit crumbs for which I am using digestive biscuits, and I am also using some gelatin for setting it. So let's get in, make the dessert. Very simple. What we need to do first is we need to whisk the cream so that it gets little lighter and fluffier. And as you see, with the ice down, the consistency of the cream is lovely. It is getting nicely whipped. We don't need to whip it a lot. As you see, it has become nice thick. At this time, we will add the condensed milk. And let me tell you, when I said it's a short recipe, it's a very short recipe. Within 5 minutes, you'll have a dessert as good as a 5-star, which can impress anyone. So let's go ahead. Around 200 ml of rich cream, and I'm going to add around 200 grams of condensed milk into it. So here it goes. You can adjust the quantity of the condensed milk according to the sweetness you like. And let's go in and again whip this a bit. As you see, it's nicely mixed. At this time, I'm going to start adding gelatin little by little. Now, if you don't want to add gelatin, you can go and use agar-agar. If you don't want to use any setting agent, you can also use whipped cream, which I could not get though. And when you use the whipped cream, it will also be little lighter and you will not need to use any setting agent. But hence I am using Amul fresh cream, which is only 25% fat. I am going to add this gelatin to it so it sets well. Now one very important thing, when we add gelatin, it has to be added slowly. At the same time, we have to keep whisking it. So I'll add around 2 teaspoons first. And here for this recipe of 200 grams of cream and 200 grams of condensed milk, I have taken 1 tablespoon of gelatin, which is mixed in 3 tablespoons of water, and then it is also heated in on the double boiler. It's hot, I know. So I'm going to add some more gelatin so we get the desired consistency, as you see, and it has to be mixed fast, otherwise it will form lumps. As you see, it is getting nice thick again as I'm adding the gelatin. At this time, another spoon of gelatin and mix it again. Yeah, like that. As you see, no skills required. Very easy. I am sweating. Hyderabad is heating. It's almost 40 degrees today. And the last spoon of gelatin. Yeah, now it looks nice and thick. Now the time to dish it up. I'm just going to go ahead and add anything which is remaining here in my bowl of gelatin, just that last bit, those few drops. So here it goes. Now let it set for 2 minutes. Meantime, we'll get the glass ready. So I have this nice wine glass with me, which I'm going to use. Now to start with, I'm going to take these digestive biscuit crumbs and I'm going to put them in the base. Now I like it nice and biscuity, so I'm going to add a little more at the base so that I get a nice bite of the biscuit. Once you've added the crumbs, just make sure that you level it up. As you see, just level it up. Another spoon. I am using Britannia digestive biscuits. I have used 1 packet of it. Yeah, so looks nice. Now I'm going to add a layer of mango onto it. So these are the diced mangoes. I am using Baganpalli mangoes, which are the delicacy of Hyderabad. Whatever you get at your hometowns, whatever is available in this time in the market, use them. Nothing specific. Just make sure that you don't use the mangoes which are generally used for amras, because you won't be able to cut dices out of it. For this you need a nice mango which can be cut into dices. Go ahead and add a nice layer of mango as you like it. I like it a lot of mangoes. And make sure that these mangoes are nice and chilled. So here are the mangoes. Now let's come back to our cream. It looks nice. And now I'm going to take a spoon and spoon out mixture little by little onto these mangoes. So here it goes. No problem if you spill something on the side, you can always clean that up later. Now once this one layer is gone, I am going to add another layer of crumbs onto it, like that. You can reduce or increase the quantity of these biscuit crumbs as you like. And then again a layer of mango, the king of fruits. This is the season. I hope all these ingredients are easily available when we are at home in this lockdown. As I'm plating, I just want to say that be safe, follow all the guidelines which the government has issued. Don't go out, follow social distancing. Let's be safe, and then just top it up with the last layer of cream. And then it goes in the refrigerator for 2 hours because it needs to get set. Now what I've done is to show you guys. I've already made one glass ready which I've kept in my refrigerator, and I'll just get that out so that you can see how it looks. Just give me a minute. And here it is, lovely dessert. You can see all the layers. It has been in the refrigerator for around 1.5 to 2 hours. Looks very lovely. And then just top it up with a nice sprig of mint like that. And then what do? The most important part, you eat it. So I'm going to go ahead, dig in, take a bite, and as you see, it's set nice. It is coming out nice. Don't look at the mango falling, that's fine. But look at this. It's nice, chilled, lovely. The flavor of crumbs, the flavor of mango, the flavor of cream. Beautiful combination. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Go ahead and try this now, or whenever you have the ingredients in place. You can also follow me on Instagram. My handle is Chef Amay. You can follow me on Twitter. My handle is same Chef Amay. Thank you so much once again, Amul. Thank you for having me. And if you want to see more recipes, just tag, comment so that Amul can get me back. Thank you. Have a good day.